Well, hello, Miss Maisie.
Hello, Horton. You've nothing to do, and I do need a rest. Would you like to sit on the egg in my nest?
Why, of all silly things, I haven't feathers and I haven't wings. Me on your egg? It doesn't make sense. Your egg is so small, ma'am, and I'm so immense.
Tut, tut. I know you're not small, but I'm sure you can do it. No trouble at all. Just sit on it softly. You're gentle, kind. Come, give me some feathers. I know you want mine.
I can't.
I won't be gone long, sir. I'll give you my word. I'll hurry right back where I'll never be missed.
Very well. Since you insist, you want a vacation, I often take it. I'll sit on your egg, and I'll try not to break it. I'll stay and be faithful. I mean what I say.
Well, toodaloo.
She looked away. First, thing to do. Let's see. Oh, the first thing to do is to prop up this tree.